government of Assam, the committee, regional committee from Assam, they will submit directly to the Chief Minister of Assam, and then the regional committee from Meghalaya will submit direct the report to Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So accordingly, the regional committee of Ribhoi district, we have just submitted the report to the Honorable Chief Minister. I think it is not appropriate for me to tell you about whenever ong bangan patay ya ka detail ya ka report ka jungi. Namar kani ka de ka report kami submit katkum ka terms of reference kaba nakaliang jong ka baro angut ki Chief Minister klai rai te ngi nakaliang jongi ngilai submit bat kabasa kalau mentah sa kini ki angut ki Chief Minister bakin study ka dik report na daw ya mentah nga namlaban batai detail ka ik report ka bangi gi submit nakaliang committee until unless nakaliang kami jong ki Chief Minister jongi na Meghalaya but Chief Minister jong Assam bakin le betul kam. See, for that I think the best the best question it can be put, maybe it can be asked to the Honorable Chief Minister, not to me. Because from our side is what I'm telling you, the regional committee is only, the duty is to inspect and prepare report. Joint inspection has been done, and accordingly, the report is just submitted today. So that is our duty to do, and we look forward that both the chief minister will sit down immediately, and ultimately they'll take a decision.
Members of the committee, we have really worked hard, and we have been able to submit a report today to the Chief Minister. It's a thick report, 265 pages report we have submitted. So now it depends on the government now to call again for a state level meeting. And of course, we wish all the best to the government to be able again to take up with Assam, and based on the report that we have given, we hope a positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive towards the people residing in the border area. Well, it is, I hope it will be in the interest of the state, in the interest of the people residing in the border. So that is the report, like that it will be in the interest of the people residing in the border.